Hey there everyone! Today's segment is dedicated especially to those beauty queens who work so hard to maintain a healthy, natural, and younger looking skin routine, spending so much money on beauty products, dermatologists, and many other ways. So we're going to teach you about some valuable food items for you to use and improve the quality of your skin and health too. Before we begin, all of you should know that natural foods will make our skin healthier and improve our health more than all other artificial skincare and dermatology products. When you reach past your 30s, if you're concerned about your daily food intake, exercises, daily habits, and hygiene, it's very easy for you to have that wonderful skin you dream to have. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are full of essential fibers, healthy fat, vitamins, and minerals which are essential for the body as well as the skin. Avocados are so tasty, and if you haven't tasted them yet, hurry up and do so, because I guarantee you'll fall in love with them. It doesn't matter whether you eat it fresh, drink it in a smoothie, or even cook or bake with it, as long as you eat it. Avocados consist of a special factor known as polyhydroxylate alcohol. It is the factor which protects our skin from the sun and repairs damaged DNA in our skin cells. Avocado has some sensitive fats too, which promote production of the skin-protecting antioxidants and DNA mechanisms. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best fat compounds available on the planet. Olive oil naturally helps us to fight many diseases that we get with old age, and it helps to fight high blood pressure. Olive oil greatly protects the moisture of the skin and improves hydration of skin cells. You'll get younger looking skin in no time if you add olive oil to your meal or even cook with olive oil on a daily basis. Scientists have claimed that olive oil will resist burns on skin by sunshine, and olive oil protects durability, stability, and reduces the vulnerability of skin layers. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea, which originated from the emperors of China, is now famous almost all around the world, especially for its weight-reducing factor. But what you don't know is that green tea can reduce aging, protect your younger skin, and improve your life expectancy, which blesses you with a long life. Green tea can protect your body cells from getting harmed, and it can increase healing abilities of cells, which is the secret behind younger-looking skin in people who drink green tea regularly. It also gets rid of dead skin on our body and generates new epithelial cells and supplies the basic nutrients of the skin cells to produce new healthy cells. For example, research has shown that if you get sunburned, regular drinking of green tea in the morning for about 2 months will make your skin look even brighter and better than before. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has one of the world's best antioxidants, even better than dark berries according to scientists. These antioxidants reduce blood pressure levels, and that's why it's recommended for patients who suffer from heart disease. The main antioxidant are flavonoids, which always protect our skin from harmful strong sunshine. The different types of chocolate companies include different amounts of flavonoids when making dark chocolate, and it's proven that high amounts of flavonoids improve the blood supply to skin cells and improves the hydration of skin cells and protects the skin. More cocoa means more flavonoids, people, so please keep that in mind when you buy chocolates. Number 5. Pomegranates. This is a sweet-tasting and very healthy fruit. It has a huge storage of vitamins and minerals which slow down the breakdown of our skin integrity and protects the skin barriers from getting damaged regularly. It supplies the nutrients which are needed to produce collagen protein, which is one of the main substances to repair our skin after it damages. Pomegranates reduce blood glucose levels, and it's very healthy to make a smoothie and drink it with your breakfast meal at least twice a week. That's it for now, everyone. See you again in our next video. Thanks for watching.